Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, helpful video guys to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the AC clutch, also known as air conditioner clutch, on GMC Sierra, that generation pickup truck from year 2014 to year 2018 guys. Now, we will explain where you can find them. Also, there will be some minor differences maybe for year 2018. We'll talk about that. Another thing, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, for the AC clutch now, air conditioner clutch, fuses and relays will be located in 3 different fuse boxes that we need to check. By the way, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that truck. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram on GMC Sierra. Check it out. First we need to open the driver door. Then on the side of the dash guys, you see that cover, you need to pry it open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, let's zoom in which fuses we need to check. The first fuse that we need to cover is fuse number guys, okay, 22. This fuse right here, it's a double micro 3-blade fuse. Get some spare ones like that because those are super hard to find. Next, you need to check fuse number 26. We're talking about this fuse right here. Check this one as well. After that guys, what we need to check? We need to come to a different fuse box. That's on the passenger side. Open the door. You will have exactly the same layout. Open that cover and behind it you have that fuse box here. Specifically here guys, we will need to check fuse number 43. That fuse right here, you need to check that JK's fuse. Then open the hood. That's where things may differ a little bit. For 2018 year, okay, and all the other ones as well, if we open that fuse box here, that's a fuse box on the driver's side, that's what the fuse box will look like for year 2018. Here we will need to check guys now, okay, a few different fuses. One of them, okay, let's zoom in if we can a little bit so we can see things clearly. Fuse 22 right here needs to be checked. 52, excuse me, that's 52, fuse 52. Then you need to check guys fuse number 55, which is that double micro 3-blade fuse right here. You need to check fuse number 56 guys. Excuse me, so that's right. Okay, that will be 55 and 56 right here will need to be checked. Okay, this fuse right here. Yep. Next guys, okay, something else that we will need to cover now. We need to check relay 67, which will be that relay, okay, right here. So these 2 fuses and that relay. If you have year, excuse me, 2014 to 2017, the fuse numbers are different, but the location is actually the same. That will be fuse 56 again. the micro 3-blade fuse, fuse 57, and that will be relay 68 in our case. Also guys, don't forget to check, okay, that fuse right here, 52. That will be the same number for both differences in the fuse boxes as well. All these things will be checked. If you have problems with your air conditioner not working, we'll have videos on our YouTube channel why AC doesn't work on GMC Sierra, and it will teach you what you need to diagnose and how to test everything as well. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.